Back in 2016, I received an invitation to my 20-year high school reunion. Immediately, two things went through my mind. Number one, am I really that old? And number two, how much is this gonna cost? Which just confirmed my first thought. In high school, I was kind of a nobody. I mean, I had a few friends and my mom was a big fan, but I wanted to be somebody. I wanted to be popular. I wanted all the girls to like me. The problem is that, well, I looked like this. I didn't have nice clothes. I drove my mom's minivan. Like, I was a disaster. The only girl that had any kind of relationship with was Little Debbie. And my God, what a torrid affair we had. And that, of course, led to the husky years, which just compounded everything. But no matter what I did, I always felt like I was invisible. Like, no matter what I tried, I was always on the outside looking in. So there I was, sheepishly walking into my reunion, not knowing what to do. So I just grabbed some water and kind of moved off to the side of the room, and then I'm just kind of watching people. Like, how weird and creepy is that? I see all the beautiful people across the room laughing and reminiscing, having a wonderful time, and I don't have anybody to talk to. And in an instant, I feel all of the old inadequacies just flooding back in. My insecurities are screaming at me like, you don't belong here. Why would you even come? No one remembers you. So right when I'm about to leave, just realizing this whole thing has been a terrible mistake, this girl, Katie, who I flunked chemistry class with, comes up to me and she says, hey, why don't you come sit at our table? And I said, sure. And it was amazing. I had a wonderful night. I couldn't believe it. It made all the difference in the world. Just having someone see me and accept me. Katie made me feel like I belonged. And all this made me think about church. I grew up in church. I'm very comfortable in church, but so many people don't feel that way. They walk in and they see all the perfect people laughing and having a wonderful time, and they feel like I did. Like they don't belong. And we can say Jesus loves you and you're welcome here, but maybe they need what I need. Someone to come across the room and say, hey, why don't you come sit with me? God is sending people across our path, and they're not looking for just another church to attend. They're not looking for another program. They're looking for a place to belong. They're looking for a Katie.